Okay, Chris. Okay. Get it, girl.
So your girl has been so I really love content creation. Anyone that knows me actually knows that your girl has been doing vlogs before vlogs actually even existed. Insert clip here. So I used to literally make a little vlog videos when I was like 10 years old. I always wanted to record things. I always loved telling stories. So for me, content creation is something that I've really enjoyed because I love telling stories. I love sharing certain aspects of my life with the world. And it's kind of difficult because it's like, how can I make content that is relatable without oversharing and without surpassing some of my boundaries and my privacy? And then how can I make content that people are able to resonate with and content that is realistic and authentic without surpassing my privacy, without oversharing, without doing certain things, but also like telling a story. So that's like my personal struggle because I always want to be true and authentic 100%. I never want to overshare. I never want to surpass certain boundaries that I have and certain things that I just don't want to share with the world.
Last day, next show. Yeah, last day.
Last day.
will notice that watercolor changes depending on the type of picture that you're going to. So we have emerald green water, but on the way back you will see the red water that comes with the Tanino, the sprinkled ice. So usually the males will be
How do I know if it's? Okay, I think it's recording. Sorry.
your picture. It's a bote.
We're at the beach, let's go away. Don't say what they want to say.
No, I mean, I guess check for it.
It's stopped.
All the way up to the end of my road, still I can't go. It's unnatural, It's officially my last day in Mexico. My flight leaves in a few hours. I'm like the only one out of my group that's actually still here, that's leaving today. Everyone else flew out early this morning, but your girl got a direct flight. They're doing like layovers in Mexico City, and then we'll probably reach Florida around the same time anyways, but I'm flying out of Merida directly to Miami International. So yeah guys, it's the end of the road. It's the end of my trip in Mexico. I really loved Mexico. I had an amazing experience. Hopefully before I go I'll be able to do like a quick sit down, just thinking about my experience and talking about my experience in Mexico. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in a few. Thank you for following me along on my journey here, and bye.